What I like about this is it comes apart in 3 sections, so it's easy to store when not in use. And the plastic is not super thick, but it's not super flimsy either. And it's pretty sturdy enough to manage birds. So I'm looking forward to having some bird friends come and enjoy the area that I've prepared for them. And I've got it right by my window so I can enjoy them when they come.
Took me about 45 seconds to assemble this, and works really well for my purposes, which is I have a raised flower bed here on my patio. But if you're looking for a full-size bird bath like that one, this one's probably not what you're looking for. But if you just want a short one for something raised up like this, it's perfect.